Welcome home. Your home is more than just a place to live. It's a reflection of your personality and style. Your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you can escape the chaos of the outside world and find peace. It's a place to relax and recharge, to unwind after a long day, and to spend quality time with loved ones. It reflects who you are, showcasing your tastes, memories, and the things that matter most to you. Interior design helps you create a space you love, one that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. And interior design isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about creating a space that works for you. It's about understanding how you use your space and designing it to meet your needs and lifestyle. It's about choosing colors and textures that make you feel good, that evoke the right emotions and set the right mood. It's about surrounding yourself with things that inspire you, that spark joy and creativity. Whether you're starting from scratch or just want to refresh a room, simple changes can make a big difference. A new coat of paint, some new throw pillows, or a different arrangement of furniture can transform a space. Don't be afraid to experiment. Mix and match different styles, colors, and textures to create a unique look that is all your own. Let's embark on this journey together. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or a complete novice, there's always something new to learn and discover. We'll explore the key elements of interior design, from color theory to furniture placement and everything in between. You'll discover how to transform your house into a beautiful and functional home, one that you can be proud of and enjoy for years to come. Before you start moving furniture or painting walls, take the time to really understand your space. Look at the room's dimensions, consider its natural light sources, identify any architectural features. Measure the length and width of the room. Note the ceiling height. These measurements will help you choose furniture that fits comfortably. Observe how much natural light the room receives. Are there large windows or is it a bit dim? This will influence your color choices and lighting plan. Pay attention to existing features like fireplaces, built-in shelves, or moldings. These can become focal points or guide your design decisions. Your home should reflect your personal style. Do you prefer a modern, minimalist look, or are you drawn to cozy, traditional spaces? Browse through magazines and websites for inspiration. Create a mood board with images that resonate with you. Pay attention to the colors, textures, and patterns you gravitate towards. Don't be afraid to mix and match. You can combine elements from different styles to create a unique and personal space. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers. The most important thing is to create a home that makes you feel happy and comfortable. Color has a powerful impact on our mood and emotions. It can make a room feel cozy and inviting, or bright and energetic. When choosing a color scheme, consider the mood you want to create. Warm colors like red, orange, and yellow create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Cool colors like blue, green, and purple are calming and relaxing. You can use color to create different zones in your home. For example, you might choose a warm color for your living room and a cool color for your bedroom. Don't be afraid to experiment with different color combinations. You can use a color wheel to find complementary or contrasting colors. Section 5. Furniture, finding the perfect balance of form and function. Furniture is an essential part of any home. It not only serves practical purposes, but also contributes significantly to the overall aesthetic and feel of your living space. It provides a place to sit, sleep, eat, and store our belongings. Each piece of furniture plays a crucial role in making our daily lives more comfortable and organized. When choosing furniture, consider both form and function. It's important to find pieces that not only look good, but also serve a purpose and meet your specific needs. You want pieces that look good, but also meet your needs. A beautiful chair that is uncomfortable to sit in won't be of much use. Think about the traffic flow in the room. Proper placement of furniture can enhance the functionality and flow of a space. Make sure there is enough space to move around comfortably. Crowded rooms can feel claustrophobic and hinder movement. Choose furniture that is the right scale for the room. Measure your space and plan accordingly to ensure a harmonious fit. A large sofa will overwhelm a small space, while a small table will get lost in a large room. Balance is key to creating a cohesive look. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles of furniture. Combining various styles can add character and personality to your home. You can create a unique and eclectic look by combining vintage and modern pieces. This blend can make your space feel more personalized and inviting. Section 6. Illuminating your space. The magic of lighting. Lighting is an often overlooked aspect of interior design, but it plays a crucial role in creating ambiance and functionality. Natural light is always best, so try to maximize it during the day. Choose sheer curtains or blinds that allow light to filter through. Incorporate different types of artificial lighting for different purposes. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination, while task lighting is ideal for reading or working. Accent lighting can be used to highlight artwork or architectural features. Consider the color temperature of your light bulbs. Warm white bulbs create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, while cool white bulbs are better for task lighting. Section 7. Textures and patterns. Adding depth and interest. Textures and patterns add depth, warmth, and visual interest to a space. They are essential elements in interior design that can transform a plain room into a vibrant and dynamic environment. They can make a room feel cozier, more inviting, and more personal. By carefully selecting and combining different textures and patterns, you can create a unique atmosphere that reflects your personality and style. Incorporate different textures through textiles, rugs, throw pillows, and blankets. These elements not only add comfort, but also serve as visual interest points that draw the eye and make the space feel more layered and complex. Mix and match different materials such as wool, cotton, linen, and velvet. Each material brings its own unique feel and look, contributing to the overall aesthetic of the room. Wool adds warmth, cotton offers softness, linen provides a casual elegance, and velvet brings a touch of luxury. Play with patterns in your upholstery, curtains, rugs, and even wallpaper. Patterns can range from subtle to bold, and they can be used to highlight certain areas or features in the room. Don't be afraid to mix and match different patterns, but be mindful of scale and proportion. Large patterns can dominate a space, while smaller patterns can add detail and intricacy. Balancing these elements is key to creating a harmonious look. Use texture and pattern to create focal points in your space. A well-placed textured item or a striking pattern can draw attention and become a conversation starter. For example, a patterned rug can anchor a seating area, while a textured throw blanket can add interest to a sofa. These focal points not only enhance the visual appeal, but also contribute to the overall comfort and functionality of the room. Section 8. The personal touch, making your house a home. The final step in creating a truly inviting and personal space is to add your own personal touches. These are the things that make your house a home. Display family photos, travel souvenirs, and other items that have special meaning to you. Group similar items together to create visual interest. Incorporate plants and flowers to bring life and freshness into your home. Choose plants that thrive in the lighting conditions of your space. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun. Your home should reflect your personality and style. Section 9. The finishing touches. Stepping back and enjoying your creation. Once you've added your personal touches, take a step back and evaluate your design. Walk through the room and look at it from different angles. Make sure the furniture is arranged in a way that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Adjust the lighting to create the desired ambience. Add or remove accessories as needed to achieve the right balance. Sometimes less is more. Most importantly, relax and enjoy your newly designed space. You've put a lot of thought and effort into creating a home that reflects your personal style and meets your needs.